Welcome to Baby Care Tips UK, your trusted guide for all things baby care and parenting. Today, we'll explore the exciting journey of your baby's first 6 months, highlighting the key milestones to expect. Whether you're a first-time parent or looking for a refresher, this guide will help you know what's normal and when to seek advice. 1 to 0 16 to 1 o'clock, physical milestones. In the first 6 months, your baby's physical development grows rapidly. By 2 months, most babies can lift their head briefly during tummy time. By 4 months, they often roll from tummy to back and may start pushing up with their arms. Around 6 months, babies usually begin to sit with minimal support and may even start bouncing when held in a standing position. Tip: always supervise tummy time and sitting, and ensure your baby has a safe, soft space to explore. 2 to 101 to 140, cognitive milestones. Your baby's brain is growing fast. By 2 months, they begin to track objects with their eyes and respond to familiar voices. At 4 months, they may start reaching for toys and showing curiosity about new textures and sounds. By 6 months, many babies understand cause and effect, like shaking a rattle to make a sound, and start exploring with their hands and mouth. 3 to 141 to 220, social and emotional milestones. The first 6 months are also crucial for bonding and social development. By 2 months, your baby may smile in response to your face. By 4 months, expect more laughter and cooing, and notice they enjoy playing with caregivers. By 6 months, babies start showing preferences for familiar people and may respond differently to strangers. Tip: engage in face-to-face interaction, read stories aloud, and make lots of eye contact. It supports healthy social growth. 4 to 221 to 3 o'clock, feeding and communication. Feeding also evolves during this time. Most babies start solid foods around 6 months, but breast milk or formula remains their primary nutrition. You'll notice early communication milestones too: cooing, babbling, and responding to sounds and voices. Tip: talk, sing, and mimic your baby's sounds. It encourages language development and strengthens your bond. 5. Tips for supporting milestones. Here are a few ways to support your baby's growth. Offer tummy time daily. Provide safe toys for grasping and exploring. Encourage social interaction with smiles, hugs, and gentle play. Maintain a routine, including feeding, naps, and bedtime. Remember, all babies develop at their own pace. Milestone ranges are guidelines, not strict rules. Watching your baby grow is an amazing journey. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Baby Care Tips UK, and turn on notifications for more expert parenting tips in the UK.